Mastering German Ordinal Numbers for Beginners. Welcome to our video series on learning German for beginners. In this lesson, we'll delve into the world of ordinal numbers, a crucial aspect of mastering the German language. Cardinal vs. Ordinal numbers. Understanding the distinction between cardinal and ordinal numbers is fundamental. Cardinals are basic counting numbers, like 1 or 5. While ordinals, such as erst first or zweit second, indicate order or sequence. Forming ordinal numbers. Forming ordinal numbers is a breeze once you've mastered the cardinal counterparts. Simply add t and e at the end. Exceptions exist, marked by an exclamation mark, and will become clearer as we progress. Example: to create the ordinal for after, it becomes nacht in written form. Articles with ordinals. Understanding the gender-specific articles der, die, was is crucial. The choice depends on the gender of the noun. For example, masculine, der after Juli, the after Juli. Feminine, die after Lieber, the after Lieber. Neutral, das after kind, the after child. Special case, dates. Ordinal numbers take a different form when expressing dates. For instance, each m Aston translates to the 20th of November. Numbers 11 to 19. Ordinal numbers from 11 to 19 follow a consistent pattern. Simply add te to the unit's number. Example: Dreisen 13 becomes Dreisenti 13th. Numbers above 19. Beyond 19, new rule emerges. Instead of adding te, append spe to the unit's number. Example: 15 becomes Fenzent 15th. Handling centuries and thousands. Ordinal numbers extend seamlessly into centuries and thousands, maintaining the spe rule. Example: 100 Esther 100th. Practical applications. Understanding when and how to use ordinal numbers is crucial. They find application in various contexts. Today's date. Heute ist der 23. November. Today is the 23rd of November. Writing dates. Kommt am 6. April. Compose on the 16th of April. Instructions. Habe am Zeg, stand up. Raise your boats. Doug, stand up. Raise your boats high. Congratulations! You've unlocked the secrets of German ordinal numbers. Practice, and soon, forming and using them will become second nature. Dank for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and subscribe for more language learning content. Feel free to drop your comments or questions below. Viel Erfolg. Good luck!